Now since we have already done pretty much with the Hydra tool with this website, now what we are going to look into is DVWA website. So let's go here and click on DVWA website, and since we know what is the username password for this website, that is admin and admin, but what we are going to learn in this lecture is how we can brute force this using Hydra, and to tell you how this actually works. So what we are going to do is just type test here, click on the login button and click on the not now, go to view source page and find the form section where we can know what kind of attack we are going to use. So as you can see, again this page is using post method. So let's go to our terminal, and first let's see for the login input field it is using username as the name, and for the password login input field it is using password, and this is the path for our target. So let's go to our back again, and what we are going to type here is as similar as our previous command, but we have to change a few things. So let's clear this and type username here, and since the password was password, and we have to and just change this phrase that says login failed when we fail to perform a login. So type login failed, just go back to the website and check it again. So yeah, it says login failed with a small f. So go back here, type small f. Now we have to change the path. So let's go to the website, and this is the path, that is /dvwa login.php. So go to the terminal back again and just type dvwa here. Now since we had username and password, admin and admin both in our username and password, so now what we have to do here is just hit enter, and once we hit enter, wait for a second, and as you can see we have found the login, that is admin, username that is admin, and password that is admin. So that's how Hydra works.